going live. Break a leg, everyone.
What? Why would you wish that? You're mean.
That's right. My name is Jebediah Springfield. There is none to whom I yield. No kingdom I've kneeled. Tonight my secrets are revealed. Jebediah Springfield. Now this bear and I are one and the same. He gave his life so that I could have faith.
Jebediah Springfield.
And now I have a raging fever, bitten by a rabid beaver. But no more time for Jebediah. All that's left to do is die.
Wait, Death!
March, march, march!